Okay, so to use the hue and saturation tool, you just got to go up to image in the menu bar, adjustments, and then hue and saturation. I'm going to repeat that: image, adjustments, hue and saturation. Now what's going to happen is you're gonna get this window right here, and in this window you can check out the different bars that you have. So let's test this thing out. The first bar is the hue bar. It's going to happen is going to change the hue of the image that you have, whatever it is, and you're going to change the color. You can use that to do a variation of the colors that you have in your drawing. If you are not satisfied, just to test things around, change a bit. The normal amount will be 0. If you go to the left, you have minus values, and you go to the right, you have plus. And the second bar is going to be the saturation one. The saturation is just that, how much saturated the colors are. That means how much color is in your image. If you put it to 100% to the right, it's going to be oversaturated image. If you go to the left to 100% under 0, it's going to be grayscale. That means without color. So the normal amount will be 0, of course, and that one is pretty easy to understand. And there is a lightness, which is a bit weird, but it's necessary. Sometimes I use it to make things darker if I had in another layer, stuff like that. If I go to the left, what's going to happen is everything, it goes completely black, and if you go to the right, will be completely white. So basically is that if you put more lightning, it's going to be towards the white, and if you put less, it will be towards the black. But we also have these little two buttons right here. We have the preview, which allows you to see the results. If you don't have that one on, you cannot see anything until you click OK. So that's kind of like, we'd better leave it in preview. But if you push colorize, as you can see, what happens is everything gets of one color, and you can use the hue bar to control that color that you have right there. So that could be useful when you want to change something. You can select it and just change the color of the whole thing, because if you change the hue, you may have the problem that some colors will change to another color, and the other pretty much stay the same. The saturation and lightness stay the same. So that's almost about it. That's about it with the hue and saturation tools. You can go back and keep watching your tutorial. Thank you very much.